Howdy, and welcome to another Success Martial Arts training video. We are continuing to work with our double sticks, and today we are going to be working on our double high. So that's the name of the pattern. Once again, it's double high. So we're going to start in our open stance. So once again, I got the red stick in my right hand. I got my blue and green stick in the left hand. Those are going to go onto the same side shoulders, and then I'm stepping my right foot in front so that way I'm in my good set stance here, my good open stance. So double high is very similar to the single that you did in the last video, but this time I'm going to do a double strike with one hand before I do the double strike in the other hand. So once again, we will start with the right hand. So just like single, I'm going to reach out and I'm going to do the first strike. Same strike as we did with single. Now, instead of pulling this back to the same side shoulder, I'm going to do a little bit more with it. So from here, once I do this strike, I'm going to bring it over and I'm going to tap the other side arm. Then I'm going to bring it back out and do a second strike from the other side. And then now I bring it back onto that same side shoulder. So now this stick is done. Time for the left hand. So I reach that first strike out, one. I'm going to bring it over and tap the other side shoulder. And then I bring it right back out and hit that second time. And then I bring it back to where it started. So just like single, I want to start getting my sticks to work together as well. So when I'm doing this pattern, I do the first strike, I bring it over as I tap, and then I do the second strike, and then as this stick is coming back home, the other stick is starting out. Hit, tap, hit, and then they work together. This one's coming back as the right hand is coming back out. Hit. Tap. Hit. Switching sticks. Hit. Tap. Hit. Switching sticks, working together. Hit. Tap. Hit. Switching sticks. Hit. Tap. Hit. And then we're just going to come home, right back into that open stance. All right, so now we're going to add the footwork. So we just completed going through what the sticks do for double high, but now we got to add some footwork to this. So in Kali, one of the most important things is we always want our longest weapon forwards. And in the case of double stick, my sticks and my arms are the same length, but it really more so is which stick am I using, which one am I attacking with, and that's the stick that I want to have in front. So because we start with the right hand for the striking, that's why we do the right foot in front first. So we start out in this side open stance, and as we're doing this, we want to be switching which foot is in front as we're switching which stick is attacking. So the footwork is what we call our step up, step back, V-step. So I want to imagine that I have a V on the ground in front of me here. And so if I'm just doing the footwork, then what I want to do is I want to be on the right side of that V. So when I'm doing my switching of feet, we do a step up, step back. So I always have one foot on the very top of the V, one foot at the bottom of the V. And so when I do the switching footwork, I want to switch over to this side, the left side of that V. So the step up, step back is exactly how the footwork goes. So my left foot is going to step up. So now I'm at the complete top of the V, but then I step my right foot back to the bottom of the V here. So now I have the left hand in front with the left foot in front. When I go back to using the right hand, then the right foot is gonna step up as my left foot then steps back, and now I'm back on the other side of this V here. So when I'm doing that with the actual double double high stick work, so I start in the right foot in front, and we do the 2 hits with the right hand. So I do the hit number 1, I tap that arm, I hit number 2, and then as I'm doing that switching of the sticks that we practiced in the first part of this video, I'm also going to do the switch of my feet. So I'm going to step up as I come into the hit and step back. Now I tap and I hit. Then I'm going to step up, step back as I'm doing the other side hit, tap, hit, switching the feet, switching the hands, hit, tap, hit, switch feet, switch hands, hit, tap, hit, switch feet, switch hands, hit, tap, hit, switching, 1, 2, 3, one more time with the left hand, step up, step back, hit, tap, hit, switching as I come back to my home base, my open stance here.